everyone. Welcome back to today's English practice session. Get ready, because we are kicking things off with a fun shadowing exercise. It's a great way to boost your fluency. Here's how it works. After the beep, you will hear a sentence. Repeat it out loud, trying to match the tone, rhythm, and pronunciation. It's simple, it's effective, and it's going to make you sound more natural in English in no time. So, let's dive in and start building your confidence. Let's go. Come in, the door is open. Come in, the door is open. I don't have time right now. I don't have time right now. I will be there in a minute. I will be there in a minute. Let me grab more coffee. Let me grab more coffee. Could you pass the salt? Could you pass the salt? I would like to try that. I would like to try that. That's better than I expected. That's better than I expected. What other options do we have? What other options do we have? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? I usually make tea in the morning. I usually make tea in the morning. I don't have more milk left. I don't have more milk left. The other room is bigger. The other room is bigger. I need time to clean this place. I need time to clean this place. I like how bright the kitchen is. I like how bright the kitchen is. Let's finish this and then eat. Let's finish this and then eat. This is a new recipe I found. This is a new recipe I found. Come help me with the dishes. Come help me with the dishes. It's much warmer than yesterday. It's much warmer than yesterday. Could you open the window? Could you open the window? I will come to the meeting later. I will come to the meeting later. There's no time to waste. There's no time to waste. We need more ideas for the project. We need more ideas for the project. This is more difficult than I thought. This is more difficult than I thought. How do you spell that word? How do you spell that word? I would like to take a short break. I would like to take a short break. He joined the other team last week. He joined the other team last week. Could we talk for a minute? Could we talk for a minute? That's not what I expected, but it's okay. That's not what I expected, but it's okay. Let's do this now and eat then. Let's do this now and eat then. I want something new to wear. I want something new to wear. Do you have this in other colors? Do you have this in other colors? I like this one more. I like this one more. This is cheaper than the last one. This is cheaper than the last one. I don't have time to wait in line. I don't have time to wait in line. How much is this? How much is this? Could I try it on? Could I try it on? I will pay with my card. I will pay with my card. Let's go home then. Let's go home then. I will come back tomorrow. I will come back tomorrow. What time works for you? What time works for you? Could we meet around 5? Could we meet around 5? Let's grab coffee then. Let's grab coffee then. I would like to see that movie. I would like to see that movie. It's a new place in town. It's a new place in town. Do you know how to get there? Do you know how to get there? This weekend sounds better than next. This weekend sounds better than next. We can ask the other guys to join. We can ask the other guys to join. I will text you later. I will text you later. Come early if you can. Come early if you can. I feel a bit tired today. I feel a bit tired today. I need more rest. I need more rest. That's worse than last week. That's worse than last week. Could you bring me some water? Could you bring me some water? I would like to stay in tonight. I would like to stay in tonight. How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? This soup tastes like home. This soup tastes like home. I will take some time to relax. I will take some time to relax. I might try a new workout. I might try a new workout. Let's go for a walk then. Let's go for a walk then. How far is it from here? How far is it from here? I think we need more gas. I think we need more gas. That road is faster than this one. That road is faster than this one. Let's stop at the other station. Let's stop at the other station. I would like to visit that museum. I would like to visit that museum. Come with me next time. Come with me next time. We don't have much time left. We don't have much time left. We could take the train instead. We could take the train instead. Then we can grab lunch. Then we can grab lunch. I want to try something new. I want to try something new. You are better than before. You are better than before. Great job, everyone. You've just finished the shadowing practice. Today we explored words 11 to 20 from the 3,000 most common English words, which are essential vocabulary for everyday conversation. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review each word and its meaning. This will help you understand the words better, so you can use them in your everyday conversations. Ready? Let's get started. The first word is new. New means not old. like a new phone or a new friend. The second word is more. More means extra or a bigger amount. For example, can I have more rice? The third word is time. Time is what we see on a clock. We also use it to say how long something takes. Like, I don't have time right now. The fourth word is come. Come means to go toward someone or someplace. Like, come here, or can you come with me? The fifth word is could. Could is a polite way to ask or suggest. Like, could you help me, or we could try again. The sixth word is then. Then is used to compare things. Like, this is bigger than that, or I'm faster than before. The seventh word is like. Like means you enjoy something. For example, I like music. It can also mean similar to, she runs like her brother. The eighth word is other. Other means a different one. Like, the other room, or do you have other ideas? The ninth word is how. How is used to ask in what way. Like, how are you, or how does this work? And the 10th word is then. Then means next, or after that. Like, first we eat, then we go. That's all for today's 10 words. You did something great by learning and practicing with us. These valuable steps will help you speak English better every day. Try to use these words in real conversations and keep practicing them often. Do a little shadowing practice every day. It really works over time. You are doing well, and we are happy to be part of your language journey. If this session helped you, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Please tell us where you are from in the comments. It means a lot to us. See you in the next session. Thank you.